Okay, let's go through the install of the Blink Outdoor 2K Plus. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have this device right here. This is the Blink Sync Module 2. If you were to purchase this camera, there are two options for purchasing it. You may have found that there is an option that says add-on camera and it's $10 cheaper. That is because that camera does not come with this module. If you get just the camera itself, it's gonna come with this module because you do need this module to get everything set up and running. So I've already got mine set up, purchased the add-on camera, which is why my box may look a little bit smaller than what you have. That is totally fine. But if for some reason you got the add-on camera, send it back. Make sure you get the one with the Blink Module 2 or just pick up the Blink Module 2. One thing I want to mention with this thing too, you can put a USB thumb drive in the side here to save your recordings locally, so you do not have to have the subscription if you don't want to. You can save them locally by having this device right here and plugging in a thumb drive or a hard drive. Now that we have got that set up, we have got our app loaded up right here. I'm going to go ahead and take the camera and we are going to pop these batteries in. Leave that right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click on the plus sign. We'll just go ahead and show you guys right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the plus sign. I have a new wireless camera. It's within 7 feet. Perfect. Popped it off. All the instructions. Yeah, pretty easy and straightforward to just kind of follow all these instructions right here. Scan the QR code. That's fine. QR code has been scanned. And then it's gonna ask me what module I want to attach mine to. I'm gonna go ahead with the outdoor module because that is this guy right here. So that is my outdoor module. We'll say it is there. It is currently armed right now. I believe it is going to disarm it. Yep, it's got to disarm it to add this one on there. Wait until you see the red lights blinking. Do we see? Oh, I do. I just saw a red light flash on the front there. So we are gonna say discover devices. Okay, camera has been added. That took about 45 seconds there to add that. Where am I gonna put this? Let's go ahead and garage, garden, custom, we'll say backyard. All right, do I want it to be in performance mode or battery efficiency mode? I like that it's giving these options because I've used this camera in the past, not this specific one, but the older Blink cameras that say it gives you 2 years of battery life, and I have not experienced that. For me, because of the demos that I want to show in the review videos, we're going with performance because I want that 2K quality, not the 1080p quality. So we're going to confirm our preset. Failed to save, please try again. All right, let's go ahead and try it again. Yes, I want performance. We are going to confirm. Oh, and it popped right up. Okay, so if you guys see that, don't worry. I got it too. Just went right through it and we are fine. So camera placement, this is just going to tell you and walk you through step by step on where to place the camera. We'll click on done right there. We got a Blink Plus plan free trial. You will only see this if you do not currently have a subscription. If you currently have a subscription with Blink, you will not be offered the free trial, but this is telling you what that free trial will offer. I'm gonna go ahead and click OK on that. And then if I scroll down here, boom, there is the new backyard camera. Okay, we're all set up and ready to go. I'm gonna get this thing installed and let's go ahead and see what kind of image this thing can produce. Okay, so for the mount, you're just going to screw it in. I don't have any holes that match these two right here. So I've just got the one screw right in. I screwed it in super tight. It's not moving anywhere. I'd recommend putting it into if you can. Essentially, you're just going to screw it into place right there. Once you get it in, you're just going to take your camera. We're going to, I'll show you guys an angle right here. All right, so we have it snapped in there on the back, and now we can adjust any angle that we want to do with this camera, and we are good to go. Thing is installed, ready to capture the bad guys. Okay, so now that we have the camera set up and installed, there is so much more that you can do to dive deeper into the settings. If you guys want to know how to properly set up and get the most out of your Blink camera, I recommend checking out this video right here. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.